Hi everyone, I'm Shahid Khan. Welcome to Yoga Simplified. Today I'll be teaching you Sirsasana on the strap. There are many benefits of doing it on the strap. You can release your spine, you can release the tight muscles of your back, you can release your neck, your shoulders, and especially if you cannot do Sirsasana on the floor, this is a very good option. It even helps you to open your hips. I won't go into the benefits of Sirsasana, but in general, this is how you would do Sirsasana on the strap. Now the length of how long the strap should be. The strap should come exactly on your hip line. It should touch your sacral lumbar vertebra, your L5, because that's what you want to push inwards to retain your natural curve of the sacral lumbar. You don't want that vertebra pushing too much outwards. For me, this is a good height. In general also, it should touch your hip bone. So in general, that's a good measurement to start with. First, come in the strap, take the strap down towards your hip. And then keep your feet on the wall. Again, control. So the strap is on your hip line. And then take your knees out. Keep your feet together and come down. Now keep your buttocks firm because you want to again open your hip joint, knees pressing towards the wall. Feel that sacral lumbar vertebra, your L5. So you're pushing it inwards to get that spinal curve. And then hold your elbows. Release the rest of the spine. To open your shoulders, take your arms behind your ears. Now, as you're upside down, your exhalation has the force of gravity. You need to work on your inhalations. You have a longer body, which makes you can inhale and exhale deeper. Use it. Keep the muscles of your face relaxed. Keep your eyes relaxed. Keep your arms behind your ears because that opens your shoulders and your neck. Do it at least for 5 minutes. You can do it for more. Now, in the beginning, let's say if you're completely new to the pose, build up your time. So go in the pose, feel how long you can do it, come down, go in the pose, because it goes relatively fast. In the beginning, you might be a little scared. You might think maybe the strap does not hold, you will fall down. But get the strap on the wall fixed by a professional. Don't take chances that the strap loosens and you fall down. Now, while coming down, you can either go in the handstand and come down, or you can come down as you went in the pose. Once you come down, be in Uttanasana for 1 minute. And then come up. If you have any questions about the Sirsasana on the strap, write it down in the comments below and I'll answer it. Thank you for today and until next time.